Hello everyone. I'll be presenting my three chosen activities for my learning competency, which is show respect for intellectual property rights by acknowledging sources of information in journalistic writing. So my first activity for this learning competency is giving one's title a poem or story or a paragraph read. So in here, the students will give their own title on the short story that will be provided. So I came up with this. Activity because, as we all know, we all have different types of students, different kinds of students. So in here, we will know their creativity on give the title to a short story, and this will let us know how they formulate or they stimulate their creativity by giving a title to a short story. My second activity is using value judgment questions. So in here, the students are to answer the following question: why is there a need to acknowledge the author or owner of a particular literary or intellectual property? So I came up with this activity because, as teachers, we will know the opinions of our students on how they value or how they will react on the need to acknowledge the author of a particular intellectual property, right? So you will also know that their different opinions or how they will value this kind of morality. And for my third activity, which is values voting, the teacher will read the questions, and after each question is read, students will answer by doing the following. Letter A, thumbs up if agree, thumbs down if disagree, and C, stand up if undecided. So the questions are: is it right to own an intellectual property even if it is not yours? Second, how many of you agree that it is okay to not acknowledge a piece of information? And third, acknowledging a piece of information that is not yours is not so important. I came up with this activity because I believe that students can also realize by answering the questions on how to value or to respect the intellectual property that it is not theirs, and they will also know, or they will also understand the value of respecting and acknowledging the a piece of information that it is not theirs, right? So in here, as teachers also, we will know how they give their own opinions, and with that opinions we can see, or we can learn on how they value this type of morality. And that would be all. Thank you.